Hello and welcome to the chess workshop where the brain is our grinder. In the last video you learned how the rook moves, and let's put that into practice here in this video because you will learn how to checkmate with rook and king against king. And I would say let's dive right in. And the first thing to know here is that you have to push the enemy's king to one of the edges of the board. And this is always the case basically in those positions. The same thing you saw in queen and rook, queen and king against king. And this is the first thing you have to know. The second thing you have to know is, and let me jump a little bit forward here in this position. The second thing you have to know is the crucial position in this endgame. And here you can see a crucial position. So what is a crucial position here? A crucial position is when the kings are separated by one square and they are on the same rank or file, depends. They are here on the same rank. They are here on the 7th rank, and they're separated by one square. And by the way, this is the so-called opposition, but you will learn later on what that actually means and is. So we got this here where they are separated by one square, they're on the same rank, and also the rook is ready to give a check, and this check allows white to force black to one of them edges. So we play rook d2 and black has to go closer to an edge. So now you know the crucial position here. This is the crucial position in this endgame. Now you know this. So let's go back to this here. And a crucial position allows white that black has to retreat. And let's say the rook here, you can see that with a green arrow and marks that the rook here is kind of controlling a box, or is making kind of a box, and we have to reach those crucial positions to make that box even smaller until black has to go one of the edges and finally will be checkmated. And how are we gonna do this here? Well, king and rook have to work together in this case. And yeah, let's just see how it works. And the first thing is that we have to bring our king closer to the enemy's king. And we are doing this by king f4. Now black plays king d7. Now king f5 from white, king d8. And once again, we follow the black king. We come closer, king f6. Now black plays king d7. And here, this is a very important technique in this endgame. Here you learn how to gain a tempo, because if white plays king f7, this looks like a crucial position, right? The kings are separated by one square, they're on the same rank. Everything looks fine, right? The rook is ready to give a check, but there is one difference here, and that difference is that black is to move. And for example, here king f7, black plays king d6, and if white would give a check right now on d1, the black king would just escape and go to e5, and now he's in the middle of the board, and that's not what we want. We want him on one of them edges. So here we have to gain a tempo so that we can reach our crucial position. And gaining a tempo here is Rook e2, playing Rook e2. So if Black plays King d6, now we reach a crucial position, and now we can give a check with Rook d2. But Black doesn't want to do that because that just is quicker for White, right? So he plays King d8, and now we just follow the Black King again with our King. So we play King f7, and now Black has no other option than playing King d7. And this is what I showed you at the beginning of this video. Now we reached our crucial position, and we can give a check and force the Black King to go closer to the edge. So Black plays King c7. Now White plays King e6. And here once again King e7 is not a crucial position because Black is to move. So we play King e6. Now Black plays King c8 because King c6, as in the other position, would be leading to a crucial position, and here we can again give a check, and Black has to go one step closer to the edge. So he wants to play, so he goes to c8, and now once again we come closer to the Black King. We play King e7, and Black here has only one option, King c7, and now we reached our crucial position again, where White plays Rook c2 check. Now Black goes to b7, and White goes to d6. And here once again King b6 would lead faster to checkmate. So he plays King b8, King d7, as we already know. And now Black plays King b7, and this here is once again a crucial position, and we play Rook b2 check. Now Black goes to a6, and finally we got him where we want him. He is here on one of them edges, and now it's just a matter of time that we checkmate the Black King. And one difference is that the Rook can be attacked by the Black King, other than in the endgame Queen and King against King, where the Black King or the enemy's King can't attack the Queen. But here he can, but this is just one difference. This you just have to know how to react, and that's everything that's to it. But so you know that can happen. You don't have to lose your focus. So Black plays King a6. Now we just follow the Black King with King c6. And as I said, the White Rook can be attacked. So Black plays King a5, and we follow the Black King with King c5. Black plays King a4. White plays King c4, and now Black plays King a3. What do we do now? We already got the Black King where we want him, right? So we don't want to go further away, right? So we just switch sides with the Rook. We just go to b8, and now Black has some big problems, because if he goes to a4, for example, and once again here is a crucial position, but this time the difference is that he is already on the edge of the board, and we can deliver checkmate with Rook a8 check. So black doesn't play that because it would lead immediately to checkmate. So he goes to a2, and once again we do the same thing. We just follow the enemy's king with our king, king c3, king a1, king c2, and now black has only one option. He has to play king a2, and this here once again is a crucial position, and we can checkmate this time because the black king is already there on the edge. And yeah, white plays rook a8 checkmate. And this is everything you have to know about this endgame. A tip from my side is that you can practice this endgame with a friend, or yeah, with an engine, with a chess engine. Just set up a random position, rook and king against king, and start practicing, and you'll know that really fast if you follow the steps here. And yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more chess content and tips. And I see you in the next video.